Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your laptop has an active internet connection and a modern browser. This makes Google Photos load reliably. Sign in to the Google account you use for photos, type your email and password, and complete two-step verification if prompted. Once logged in, open the app grid or visit Photos. Google, com to reach Photos. Make sure you're in the correct account by checking the avatar in the top right, because the library you see depends on the size. Now that you're in, begin by viewing the main grid of images. Thumbnails load quickly and let you scan recent items. To add photos, click Upload or simply drag files from a folder into the window. This uploads full resolution unless you change settings. Create albums to group shots, add labels or descriptions to improve search, and use the search bar for people, places, or dates. Make sure backup is configured if you want automatic syncing from other devices. Finish by exporting downloads or sharing. Select Photos, choose Download for originals or create link to share with others. Sharing keeps originals intact and respects privacy settings. Adjust settings for storage management, partner sharing, and upload quality to optimize space. If something goes wrong, troubleshooting is quick. Clear browser cache, try an incognito window, sign out and back in, or confirm you have available Google storage. If uploads stall, reduce file size or retry on a different network to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.